How's it going, everybody? It's Stas here. So the markets are crushing it today, and like you guys saw in the title, we're going to be talking about 3 breakout stocks that I'm watching right now. So sit back, relax, go down below, get your $50 from M1 Finance. All you have to do is use my link, deposit $100, and we each get $50 free to invest with. And you guys could check out my Patreon as well if you want all my real-time moves plus a bunch of exclusive content that is also linked right down below. And with that being said, let's get right into the video. So like I said, the markets are crushing it. SPY hit an all-time high today. QQQ, let's see what that's doing. Maybe it hit an all-time high as well. Nope, not quite yet, but it's well on its way to hitting that all-time high. And we have the Russell up a whopping 1.2%. Dow is up about 200 points, so great day overall. And if you guys subscribe to the channel and check out my video that I'm going to upload later today, you'll see a full market breakdown, which I do every single day here on the YouTube channel. So let's dive into these 3 stocks that you guys saw in the title. Number 1 being Advanced Micro Devices, ticker symbol AMD. This one is just absolutely breaking out. It's on a tear. It's up well over $100 per share now. It's up almost 7% on the day. And this is on the back of a pretty great earnings report. They reported earnings about 2 days ago. EPS came in at 63 cents versus 54 cents estimated, so that beat. Revenue came in at $3.85 billion versus $3.62 billion estimated, so double beat for Advanced Micro Devices, and it's about time that they hit $100 plus per share. And if you guys have been following me for a while, I've been here, and there's a dog hair in my mouth right now. Hold up, guys. Jesus. Yeah, if you guys have been following me for a while at this point, I've been saying on the channel, this is a $100 plus stock. And I put my money where my mouth is. I mean, I was buying it on this dip, and you guys in my Patreon know my average cost is $76, $77, right around there. And I'm up. I checked my account today. I'm up 30% on this position with today's big about 6-7% spike. And you can clearly see it's overbought. It is overbought, but we're breaking out. We're breaking out. We're doing very well. And even though it's overbought, guys, I feel like there's more upside. Maybe not in the next 1-2 weeks. Sure, we might cool off. The dust might settle. It might go back to $95, $100 and consolidate there for a bit. But looking a couple months down the line, I think AMD could go to 110, 115, maybe even 120, and you can't really tell based on this 4-hour chart, but if you pull back the layers a bit and go to the 3-year 1-week chart, look at this, guys. This is very, very bullish. The fact that we not really consolidated, but we were choppy around $95 to $75, $78 for 8 months. You know, we've been trading in that range for 8 months. We curled up, we formed the cut pattern, and now we're breaking out. This breakout could take us, like I said, to 110, 115, 120, but you have to pull back to the 3-year chart to get more of a broad perspective. And look, I mean, we've held the 50 SMA on this 3-year chart many times over the past 3 years, and we obviously held it again. Now we're breaking out. I see more upside on AMD. Again, I'm long, and I don't plan on selling anytime soon. Who knows? Maybe if it got to 150, if it got very overbought, very crazily overbought, maybe I'd sell a little bit there if I doubled up my money. And mind you guys, I've only owned this stock for a couple months at this point, months. So Yeah, if it got to 150, I'd double my money, which I doubt will happen in the next couple months. Then I might sell a little bit, but other than that, I'm holding on to my shares very, very tightly right now. And do you guys own it? I'd love to know. Let me know in the comments down below. And if you guys are enjoying the video, make sure to smash that good old like button. And let's talk about stock number 2, which just reported earnings today. It's Mastercard, ticker symbol MA. This one's up about 2%. It was breaking out of this 390 level earlier. Now we're trying, well, we're still above 390, but we're trying to get to $400 per share now, which I personally believe will happen in the near-term future here. Mastercard reported EPS of $1.95 versus $1.72 estimated, so they beat EPS, and revenue also beat. Revenue came in at $4.5 billion versus $4.34 billion estimated, so double beat for Mastercard. And what I'm seeing here on the 4-hour chart is a clear ascending triangle. Very clear. We're making higher lows, but we're struggling at about 390, 400, which now we're testing and slowly breaking out of. So the way an ascending triangle plays out is we break out and form a higher high. We end up blowing past that resistance. We see a huge leg up. And in this case, if we do get that big leg up, which I believe we will, we'll probably end up hitting an all-time high if we pass over 403, which was that all-time high from back in the end of April. So, yeah, guys, Mastercard's looking great. Ascending triangle's playing out. And in the very short term, from 390 to 400, that is the move I'm looking to potentially make. 2.5% upside there. And if 403 breaks, again, we hit an all-time high. This could go 410, 415, 420 in my opinion. And full disclosure, like AMD, I'm also long on Mastercard. I believe my average cost, I probably should have checked before this video, but I believe my average cost is in the lower 300s. I have to double check and let you guys know in an upcoming video. But overall, I'm long Mastercard. I'm long AMD. Both great earnings reports from what I'm seeing right now. And stock number 3 is none other than a pandemic favorite, which is doing great today, Zoom, ticker symbol ZM. And I actually called this breakout out a couple of days ago. If you guys remember, we mentioned how if this broke above 380, which today it did, well, it's up $20 today. So we were actually at about 369, I guess, at the close yesterday. So now we're at 389, up $20 per share, up 5.5%. I mentioned to you guys, look, if 380 breaks, this could slowly start making its move back up to test the high from earlier in July at about 405. And if that were to break, if I take this along with my trend line across the screen, you guys can see if 405 breaks, Zoom could end up going 425, 430, which was that high point from the middle of December. Also, roughly in February into March a bit. So I like the way Zoom is not only breaking above the moving averages, breaking above 380, but it has been doing well the past couple of weeks as we've been breaking out of the downwards channel that it was stuck in from November all the way through June. So about 7-8 months we were downtrending. Now we're reversing. I think there's more upside. Volume's kicking up, which is great. RSI is it's pretty overbought, but still, I think there's more upside. So we're going to be watching Zoom, ticker symbol ZM. And when are they reporting earnings? They should be reporting. Okay, they reported back in early June, June 1st. So maybe they report in August, end of August, maybe early September. So we're going to be seeing what Zoom's earnings are looking like. And I'm pretty excited to see how this company's doing as the economy's been opening up. Are people still using Zoom? Are they not? Are they going back in person to work and not doing conference calls? That's kind of what I'm looking for here with this particular company. So overall, that's really all I'm looking at this point in time. AMD, Mastercard, Zoom, and if you guys subscribe to the channel, which you should, I'm going to make a video later on today talking more about the markets and a bunch of other stocks I'm looking at. So if you all enjoyed this video, hit the like button, subscribe, let me know any thoughts you have down below in the comments, and make sure to check out my Patreon if you want to support me a bit further. Get updates every single day, real time, whenever I'm buying, selling, locking in profits, doing all that good stuff. I have a morning update video exclusively for the top tier patrons every single trading day. All of that's on Patreon, link down below. And once you sign up, you're going to get charged for this month of July, and you're also going to get charged on the 1st of every month. So you're pretty much going to get double charged. But if you email me at Stas, what's my email? I'm forgetting my email now, guys. That's bad. It's stas@stassurfest.com. If you shoot me an email, I will reimburse you. I'll refund you the charge that will go through today when you sign up, because you're going to get charged on the 1st of August. So I don't want you to get double charged. So make sure if you sign up, email me, Stas@StasSurfest. Show me a screenshot you signed up or something. We'll talk about it. Give me your name, and yeah, I'll get that worked out with you all. You could also get your $50 from M1 Finance. That's linked down below. Deposit $100. You get $50 for free, so do I, and that pretty much pays for your Patreon membership for a month or two. So check it out. Link down below. I'll catch you all in the next video. Thanks for tuning in again. As always, keep crushing the market. Stay safe out there, guys. Peace out.